I was staying in a relationship for them. I was not staying in a relationship for me. This is a weird look. I promise you I'm fine. I ain't no better. Anyway, I feel like sometimes people can only love you as much as they can. You know, they can only love you as much as they know how. And as a person, you cannot put unrealistic expectations on people to make them feel like, you know, because they're not at your standard, that they're not good enough. It's not that they're not good enough. It's just that you're just going to bow out gracefully. And that's exactly what I did. I bowed out gracefully and I did what I needed to do for myself, for my children, and for my future. At the end of the day, it's okay for you to decide that you want to live for you. So at my point in my life, at this point, nobody or nothing, no man, no woman, no child, is more important than me. And I don't care who you are, what you're doing, what you got, okay? I ain't the most wealthiest person in the world, but I'm definitely satisfied with my portion and I'm gonna make it do what it do, okay? I don't care who you are. Anybody can get cut because I am the most important person here. Okay, this is my life, my journey, my legacy. So if a person doesn't fit in that for you, then you have to make decisions. You know, you can't stay stuck and stay stagnant in situations because you don't want to hurt somebody's feelings, or, you know, you don't want to tear up the family, or, you know, whatever your reason for holding on to somebody is. If you know in your spirit is telling you to leave, is because your path don't include that person. Okay? It has nothing to do with that person. And what you're supposed to be doing is unique for you. It's unique for you. And you need to love yourself. Don't allow anybody to love you more than you love yourself. See, when I was in my past relationship, I honestly loved him more than I loved me because I made decisions that were... I'm trying to get that light to come back on. I made decisions that were based off the fact that I wanted to keep things together. I wanted to make him happy. I wanted to do this. I wanted to do that. I wanted to be a good woman. I wanted to be a good mother. I wanted to be all these different type of things, but it didn't work out. It wasn't supposed to work out. But I'm glad it didn't work out, because had I would have went ahead and planned the marriage and stay married, ain't no telling where my life would have been. And I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I didn't. Don't be so ready to take a ring. Let them rings go. Let them people go that you know don't mean you no good. Because once you do that, you're gonna put yourself in a position to win. And right now, I'm in a position to win, baby. To win. I don't have nowhere else to go but up. Because really, I can't go backwards. I can't stay here. And I gotta do something. So, I'm gonna go and put my blind up. I'm walking through the dark, so y'all probably can't see me. I'm gonna put my blind up. I'm gonna be in office space. And I'm excited about it because I have my very own office. And when I retire from my job, I will retire in this office. Here goes the light, y'all. Can y'all see me now? Still probably can't see me that well. Yeah, my office space. I'm like, look, when I retire, I'm gonna be right in that office, right upstairs in my room. And I'm gonna work it out. Because I got too many ways, too much in me, and too many ways to get paid to be broke. So, I'm gonna make it do what it do. So, I'm gonna go upstairs and put this blind up. believe it or not, I just got home. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. And most people, when they get home at 2 o'clock in the morning, they're ready to... Y'all can't see me. My lighting is very dim in my room, and that's the way I like it. It don't do good for camera time, but that's how I like it. But believe it or not, I just got in. I went out, y'all. Not really out, but I went to Side Pockets. We went to a pool hall here in Missouri, which was pretty boring, but that's where we went, and that's what we did. Now I'm getting ready to put me some pajamas on and go hang up my blind. Most people would be coming home like, oh, I'm so messed up, I'm getting ready to go home and get in my bed. I'm tired. But you know what? I've already painted my room. I've already hung up my blind, and I feel like I want to finish my room. You know, I don't like to start stuff and then I don't finish it. You know, I'm the type of person, if I start something, I need to finish that. I need to see it done. I need to see it done right. And so I can move on to the next thing. Because I'll always keep thinking about that thing that I need to finish. When my mind is cloudy, it's because a lot of things on my mind need to be done and it's not getting done. So, I don't like that. I can't move like that. So, what I'm about to do, I'm about to go up here and finish this office up. I will take y'all on a tour. I'm sorry y'all can't see me because, like I said, my light is dim. And believe it or not, it is a light up here. That is a light. But I like my light dim in my room so I can go to sleep in peace. My hair is doing its own thing. And that's what it's supposed to do. All right, y'all. I love y'all, and I wish y'all much love, much joy, much success, and I will see y'all later. Peace.